Hey everybody, it's Walker at Full Spectrum Laser, and today I'm going to show you the PS48. The PS48 is our 48 by 36 inch CO2 Pro laser. It comes standard with a 90 watt tube, and you can upgrade to a 120 or 150 watt tube. The 90 watt tube can cut up to a ½ inch of material depending on some variables. If you want to learn more, please refer to our applications page. Even at 120 and 150 watts, the PS48 still runs off a 110 volt system. The 48 by 36 inch cuttable area increases with pass-through doors. The pass-through doors can fit up to 3 inches of material. You can slide an entire 4 by 8 sheet of material through. It comes with an included honeycomb and built-in knife edge, and a material catch. The motorized Z-table allows for thicker and larger materials. This allows for the rotary attachments to be inserted. The max Z height for the Pro 48 is 14.5 inches. The PS48 has a built-in touchscreen display to control all aspects of the laser, from starting and stopping jobs to setting up a network connection. Keep in mind that the PS48 will not fit through a standard size door. So that's our PS48. If you have any more questions, please visit our website, fslaser.com, or contact sales at any time. And until next time, keep making.